You want to know what the worst part about childhood is? Boogers.
Yes, it's Malcolm X in the middle. Fox's
Mother, can you answer a question for me? Why is it that you poop?
That's it, mister. No more difference to you.
Hey, Malcolm, you want to go ahead and go seek?
Oh, okay.
Let me ask you something. Why is angel food cake black? Think about it.
See the show the New York Times has called unaccountably
Stupid! And together, we will burn down the White Castle.
How can you do a thing like this?
Meanwhile,
This is Expelliarmus. Wait! You forgot your mouth?
What happened to his mouth?
Tyson's back and he looks hungry.
Cut. Take 3.